In today's video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Monday.com with Notion step by step. This is a really useful setup if you want to bring Notion pages directly into your Monday.com workflows, keep documentation close to your tasks, or centralize project context without constantly switching tabs. This integration is simple, beginner-friendly, and doesn't require any coding at all. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to monday.com. Log into your account and make sure you're inside the workspace where you want to use Notion. Once you're logged in, look toward the top area of the screen and find the puzzle piece icon. This is the monday.com marketplace, where you can add apps and integrations to extend the platform's functionality. Go ahead and click on that puzzle icon to open the marketplace. After the marketplace loads, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click into the search field and type in Notion. As you type, monday.com will start showing matching apps. This is where you can browse all the tools that connect with or embed Notion inside monday.com. From the search results, look for an app called Notion Embed for monday.com. This is the official and easiest way to bring Notion pages into your boards. Once you see it in the list, click on the app to open its details page. Here, you can review what the app does, how it works, and which permissions it needs. Next, click on the Install App button. Monday.com will prompt you to confirm the installation and may ask which workspace or account you want to install it on. Follow the on-screen instructions and approve the installation. This process usually only takes a few seconds. Once the app is installed, you can start embedding Notion directly into your monday.com boards. Open the board where you want to use Notion, add a new view or app section, and select the Notion Embed app. From there, paste the link to the Notion page you want to display. Make sure the Notion page is shared properly so monday.com can access it. After that, your Notion content will appear right inside monday.com, allowing you and your team to view and interact with it without leaving the platform. This setup is perfect for project documentation, meeting notes, SOPs, or any other Notion pages you want connected to your tasks and workflows. It keeps everything organized and saves a lot of time. And that's it. You've successfully integrated monday.com with Notion using the Marketplace app. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more monday.com, Notion, and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.